This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all apps at once using the terminal in Linux Lite. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your apps at once using the terminal, first thing you want to do is open the terminal. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my little terminal icon. I'm going to click on that. Now in the terminal, you want to type sudo apt update. Hit enter. It asks for the password. I'm going to type in my password. I'm going to hit enter. Now it's going through all my packages to see if there's anything that can be updated. The next thing you want to do is type sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Now it asks, do I want to continue this operation? I'm going to type Y for yes. I'm going to hit enter. And depending on the speed of your computer and how many updates you need to do, it could take a few seconds. Mine has finished now. It took only a few seconds. But if you have a lot of updates, it might take a few minutes. It might take 10-15 minutes. It just depends on how many updates and how fast your computer is. That is how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in Linux Lite. Thanks for watching.